All right, well, that was pretty cool. Unfortunately, I've lost any bit of sun that I had. It's just gone to this gray overcast, so I don't know what kind of shots I got. It's fun though. I mean, this is incredible. What's interesting is, like, from what it looks like, from what I've seen, it's like the falls come down there, and then I don't think it actually goes that way. I think the river actually comes this way, but like, I think it's going underground right now. It's like, it's kind of stopped right here. So I'm betting, like, when it's really going, I bet you this is completely water. Like, you can kind of see, you know? I wonder if that little statue thing is gonna be there. Oh geez, almost got impaled by that. Watch out for tree branches. Alright guys, well that's it about for this one. Oh, no it's not. Haha, just found something else. There's a bridge. We must see where bridge goes. Well, apparently it goes to the other side of the river. So, you know we gotta check this out. Look at that. If this doesn't scream fall to you, I don't know what does. Incredible. All right, well that's pretty much it for this hike. You can just see the falls there and everything else that's around us. Beautiful time of year to do it. Come up here in the fall, get the colors. I mean, the crowds are less. I think I saw a couple people the whole time, but they were out having a great time. Everyone's in a good mood. When you're out here, like, how can you be having a bad day, right? So anyways, thank you all again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button. Let me try. If you did, click the like button. If otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.